It's springtime and we're talking fresh mint. Hi, it's John Steffi with ProduceGeek.com, and one of my favorite parts of spring is fresh mint from the garden. I love using it to brighten up my fresh cut fruit, to add to some salads to give it that fresh, refreshing taste, but mostly I enjoy it for two other purposes. Taking a leaf or many leaves and just chewing on them while I mow the lawn. That's number one. Number two is making meadow tea. Here's my meadow tea. Check it out. I'm gonna pour a big tall glass here. That is gonna be good. Meadow tea is just made with fresh spring and summer mint, and you can find the mint in big bunches at a lot of supermarkets during spring and summer, but also sometimes you'll find it in a small pack. For making meadow tea, you'll need enough for two big fistfuls. So this is a small fistful, so I'm talking double or triple this amount at least 2 times. And what I do is I just go trim that from my garden, since I have it there, and it just keeps growing back each year. I love it. And I put that in a big, like, spaghetti pot with 6 quarts of water. So that'd be like 1.5 gallons, and those 2 big fistfuls of mint, sometimes 3 fistfuls. I've rinsed the mint off, I put it in with leaves and stems, and I bring that water just up to almost a boil, where it's not a rolling boil with lots of bubbles, but just, you know, simmering around the sides. Then I turn off the heat and leave it on the burner, but turn off the heat, and I add in 2 sliced lemons and 2 sliced limes. You could do 4 lemons, you could do 4 limes. You could do more if you wanted, but then I just let those steep in there with the fresh mint. And I like it lightly sweet, so I add only 1/2 cup of sugar and dissolve that in, stir that in just when it's reached almost that boil. And you know, if you really like it sweet, you would put in a full cup or 1.5 cups or whatever. If you don't want it sweet at all, don't add any sugar. But it is such a refreshing drink. What a taste of summer. Hey, fresh mint. Hope you can enjoy some this spring and summer. And for what's best right now, keep checking back with us. That's Produce Geek. Thanks for watching. And if you find some fresh produce you love, share it with a friend, everybody. Stay safe.